I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics right. Confirm Tinytask matches your Windows business and that the app is the latest build. Once done, right-click and run as administrator to grant needed permissions. This often solves capture failures. Make sure your antivirus or Windows Defender isn't quarantining Tinytask, temporarily disable or add an exception. Finally, verify essential runtimes like NET and Visual C++ are installed, and reinstall them if the app fails to launch. You now run focus tests. Create a short 5 to 10 second recording with basic mouse clicks and keystrokes to isolate the issue. If recording fails, make sure the target window has input focus and nothing running in exclusive full screen is blocking events. Once that's confirmed, try compatibility mode for older Windows versions and adjust display scaling. Tinytask can misread coordinates on non-default scaling. These steps narrow down whether the problem is input capture or display mapping. You finish by reinstalling Tinytask from a trusted source, preferring the portable build to avoid installer quirks, and reset its settings to defaults before retesting. Once you reproduce the issue, record the exact behavior, no response, partial playback, or wrong coordinates, so you can target the fix. If problems persist, try a different input device or user account. One key tip: run Tinytask as administrator and keep the target window in windowed mode while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.